Being able to manage documents online has been a real lifesaver, especially over the last few years. There's been plenty of online office tools around, but none are more popular than Google's Drive suite, and specifically Google Docs. Although charts and graphs are often handled best by Google Sheets, with some specific instructions, making a graph in Google Docs is super easy. Here's how it's done. Once you have your document open, click your cursor to where you want to insert your graph, then click on the Insert tab in the top left menu. Mouse over Charts, then click on the type of graph you want to add. Google Docs will add a placeholder graph. Click on the graph, then click on the chain icon that appears in the top right and select Open Source. Your browser will open a new tab with a separate Google Sheet document along with a data table and sample graph. From here, just edit the data on the table as needed. If your added data isn't reflecting on the graph under it, or you want to further customize your graph, double-click the graph to open the chart editor. From here, you can edit everything from how your graph looks to how your data is displayed. Once you're satisfied with how the graph looks, just click back to your document and click on the Update button in the top right of the chart to update it. It's important to note that your graph automatically creates and saves as a separate Google Sheet document, so if you ever need to edit the information in your graph, just head back to that Google Sheet document to update the graph within. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Docs and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.